Hi, I'm Yamin and I'd like to introduce you to my product. Inefficient irrigation is one of the biggest problems faced by the agriculture industry right now. Around 70% of the world's freshwater supply is used up in farming. However, inefficient irrigation systems, especially those in developing countries, waste most of the water. Apart from the depletion of our most precious resource, water, this also contributes towards rising water tables, excessive salinity of soil, and often harms the roots of crops and reduces their ability to uptake water. Our product, AgroControl, aims to solve this problem by gathering soil moisture data and using it to optimize irrigation practices for farmers. AgroControl will consist of a network of soil moisture sensors that will gather data and upload it to a cloud. We will then process and analyze the data by using Google Cloud's high-performance computing infrastructure. We'll develop statistical machine learning systems that will determine the most efficient irrigation practices for the farmer and communicate the information to the consumer. The agtech industry is very large, valued at $189 billion. So clearly there is an opportunity for a business like ours in this market. Our main customers would be small farms in developing nations along with governments who are willing to subsidize this technology. This is because water shortage is a huge problem in some of these nations, and the technology will also improve crop yield for these farmers. Moreover, the value of the agtech industry is slated to increase by 300% over the next 10 years. Currently, similar products available in the market are either not affordable enough or they are not marketed towards farmers in developing nations where they are in dire need of such a product. The revenue streams for this business are pretty straightforward. We would make profit from the sale of the product itself to farmers. Another source of revenue would be selling the data gathered by the product to institutes that are invested in agricultural research. As we can see from the pie chart, the bulk of our $1 million budget would be spent on the sensors, on developing the algorithm, and also on using Google Cloud's high-performance computing infrastructure. Remaining budget would be used to pay for management personnel as well as advertising fees. Since our primary target market is farmers in the developing countries, the next steps for our business would be to approach organizations in the developing world to advertise our product to farmers and agricultural institutions. One of the risks associated with our product is that bigger and more established agtech companies may start to sell a similar version of our product. Also, there is a general mistrust towards private companies handling consumer data. Moreover, sudden changes in weather may reduce the effectiveness of our product. Thank you for listening to my business pitch. I hope you liked the idea.